Hola! In this episode, my wife and I traveled south to the magical Cadiz, a perfect destination for a dream summer holiday. Our first stop was Conil, a popular seaside village in the Cadiz region.
Sigue a dónde va. No llores, más llorona. Llorona, deja la tristeza atrás. Deja la tristeza. Déjala atrás. Deja la tristeza.
If you are staying in Conil or visiting in the evening, you must definitely go to the town center. Walk along its narrow streets, see the pretty white houses and their patios filled with flowers. And if you feel adventurous and a little hungry, why not trying a local snack? A cartucho de camarones, or a cone filled with baby shrimps, like my adventurous wife did.
Hola, buena, me pone un cartuchito de camarones.
Gracias.
Cartuchito camarones.
Would you like to try? No. Why not?
I don't really like that.
It's nice.
Y estos dos platitos de atún, porque así para que lo pruebe, vaya a ser que no. La verdad primera. We're getting these two, which are the award winners.
And both of them are tuna dishes.
Yes, because tuna is typical from Cadiz.
Let's see what it's like.
It's a carrot tush,
Yeah.
radish. So they have like traditional Cadiz food, but with an elegant modern touch. And the name is el sopa.
So they must have a soup that is special, their specialty.
Normally when you say sopa, it can be soup, but it can, if a person is a sopa, is normally sleeping. When you are sopa, you are fast asleep.
They look nice.
So these are the baby prawns, and they make a special fritter, like a dough. They make the dough with some herbs, very simple. Yeah, with a spoon, they put it in the fryer, and they put the baby prawns, the whole thing, like they don't peel it or else. So you can try it.
Okay, let me try. Let's see.
It's a good one.
It's tasty. I like it.
Like a very fine fritter. This is the loja, which has the anemone, which has some different things, and tuna is the main character here. So let's go for it.
Okay.
Very good. It's going to be vinaigrette.
Yeah.
And this is the anemone.
Okay, so we have the other specialty, the other tuna dish.
Yeah, grilled tuna with salted vegetables, like a pisto, and some sauces.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Yeah. Okay, let's try it now. I think I like this better. This one is more to my taste. Yeah, cooked and yeah. Also the flavors, I feel like they go well with each other.
We sat in the terrace of a traditional tapas bar in Conil, La Taona. This is the kind of place locals like to go to. When in the south, you will be presented with 3 options in the menu: tapa, media ración or half a sharing platter, and ración or a full sharing platter. If you just want to try a little bit of everything like we did on this occasion, you can order a few tapas. We had Russian salad in scoops, croquetas, grilled octopus, local payoyo cheese, which is a type of goat cheese, local tuna with caramelized onion on top, buttered dogfish or cazón en adobo, very typical in Cadiz, and finally fried calamari sticks.
Which one do you want? Şundan başlayacağım. I tried the dogfish, and I don't know why, but I was expecting it to be harder. Maybe because it's called dogfish, or maybe because it's fried, but it's actually really, really soft inside and a bit juicy. Interesting. We're almost deaf. Oh my.
We decided to check out the local market in the center of Cadiz. In this market, you can find a wide variety of local and regional products, and you can also grab a drink or a tapa if you're hungry in the many bars that are scattered all along this cheerful and lively market. Freidurías or fried fish shops are very common in Cadiz. Local people love to get together with their friends in the afternoon to share a plate of fried fish or seafood and wash it down with a small ice-cold beer or caña or with a tinto de verano or summer red.
Üç, iki, bir. Üç.
Gerçekten. Kocaman bir plaj. Bütün kumlar çok
We came to La Fontanilla beach to have dinner at its famous restaurant. La Fontanilla restaurant has beautiful views, especially if you come for dinner around sunset, and the food is also really fresh and delicious. If you want to go there on a special occasion, make sure you make a reservation beforehand.
almejas al ajillo, yani sarımsak soslu midye. Salud.